Hey, Professor Hitch here, and today I want to talk to you about accessing NetTutor. Now, one small caveat before we start this video. You can access NetTutor through a variety of different methods. The one I'm going to demonstrate today has us starting on a Canvas class page. However, sometimes NetTutor is housed in the tutoring Canvas page of your particular college. You're going to have to be able to get this far to get started. That said, let's click on NetTutor and see what happens. A new page is being loaded. Okay. If you're trying to access NetTutor for English help, you may be a little bit confused or distressed when you scroll down and C, E, F, wait, no English. However, keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page and you should find writing. Loading a new page. You have several options when you're using NetTutor. So one option is to drop in and meet with a live tutor. Pretty self-explanatory how that works. The other is that you can drop off a single question. Pretty self-explanatory how that works. What I want to show you today is what happens when you try to drop off a paper and how do you pick it up. When you drop off a paper, you have to give your paper a name, test, and you have to tell us about the assignment and how we can help. You may want to focus on giving instructions from your instructor, so basically the prompt. If you have space, try to include the whole prompt. If not, then summarize the prompt and talk about how the tutor can help you based on the instructions you've given the tutor. So, test again. Click next. You can select 2 areas for feedback. That's not to say that your tutor will skip every other thing, but your tutor will especially focus on these 2 areas of feedback. So I'm going to click word choice and grammar. You'll want to check your citation style, MLA, and you will want to check the paper type. You'll notice there are a lot of other types here. Maybe research. How long should it be? 6 pages. Here is where you would drop your file. Once you click drop off your paper, you're done. The tutor is going to have a chance to look at it. That process is not instantaneous though, so do plan on coming back to check on your paper at a later date. Where will you check on that paper? You'll do so by going to your writing locker. As you can see, you'll have question feedback here, you'll have paper feedback here, and a live tutoring session history if you chose to work with a live tutor. Well, there you go. That is how you access NetTutor, and I hope this was helpful.